drinks right here. I don't think we have them back in the US, but I'm obsessed. I know I look like a child drinking this to everybody, but it's so good. We are trying to head over to the waterfalls, and if you listen closely, you can actually hear monkeys. So cool. This is so cool. Oh no, what if the fish like smell the blood or something and try to attack me?
Like a piranha? Yeah.
No, I mean, right now.
It's like, are you lying?
Yeah.
Like, tell me there are no
Are there
piranhas.
seriously piranhas in there?
No.
You know that for a fact?
Yeah.
Okay.
100%.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Vida comer conmigo. Hoy estoy comiendo arroz, fríos, pescado y plátanos. Guys, honestly, I did not realize how horrific my Spanish was until I got here. I don't know why I thought in my head, because I am from Florida, oh, you know, it'll just come to me. I barely even knew how to say hi. Like, it's that bad. Anyways, if I botched that, I tried to say, hi, come eat with me. Today I am having rice, beans, fish, and plantains. Hopefully I said that right. I don't know.
So you like the view?
I love the view. It's beautiful. Muy, muy bellísimos.
Bellísimo.
Bellísimo.
No, bellísimo.
Bellí.
Yeah.
Bellísimo. Bellísimo. Muy bellísimo.
Muy bonito.
Muy bonito.
Es better.
That's easier. So how do you say rice?
Arroz.
How do you say rice?
Arroz.
Carlos?
Arroz.
Arroz.
A-R-R-O-Z. Arroz.
And fish?
Pescado.
Rice y pescado.
Arroz, pescado.
Arroz y pescado. Pollo?
This is called a pinto. Like when it's rice and beans, they call it
What is
pinto.
it? What are you doing? Okay. Just decided, hey, I'm gonna hang out with her today. This is so good. Holy moly. Coconut.
There we go. I'm chopping them up.
Get a
Just
real
gonna chop 'em up.
coconut. Yes. It's my first real coconut. There's a lot more water in here than I thought there would be.